If you're asked to simplify this completely, what will you do? This is a simple simplification problem that we will be able to see a solution with. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified maths problem. With little tips on indices, we can be able to solve this. 1 divided by 4 to the power of 1 divided by 4. Same base, same index. So what do we do? Now from this point, I want you to note that 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4, right? And simply put, if I have 1 square can still be equal to 1. So I can work that out. From that expression now, I can simply say I will have my 1 square divided by my 2 square, right? And all of these will be to the power of 1 divided by 4, and this will be equal to what? Right? Now let's look at, in the next step, we're going to simplify this. We simplify this recalling one simple law of indices. Recall this, that if you have a to the power of x divided by b to the power of x, this can still be equal to a becomes a fraction, and both of them will have one common index. So if we have that over here, this will become 1 divided by 2, all having one common index, and all of these will be to the power of 1 divided by 4. And this solution will give us what? In the next step, we're going to analyze that. Now, consider another law of indices. Now, when you have an expression like this, an expression like a to the power of x multiplying y, that this can be equal to a to the power of xy, right? So if we have that, we can simply apply that here. So this is simply going to give us 1 divided by 2 multiplying the index will have to multiply, right? 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 4. That way, you can see that 2 will cancel out 2 to give us 1, and 2 will cancel out 4 to give you 2, right? And so we'll have that expression to now give us 1 divided by 2 to the power of what? Of 1 divided by 2, right? And that is what that expression will give us. So this will be equal to what? Now we have same base, same index. So what do? We have been taken back to the original expression. So what do? We can simply simplify. So if I simplify this, I'll have this to become, I can isolate the base, right? If I have this expression, I have this to become, remember that expression, I have a divided by b all to the power of x. I can simply break out this to give me a to the power of x divided by b to the power of x. That's simply what I'm going to use here. So this will give me 1 to the power of 1 divided by 2 divided by 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2. And this expression will give me what? In the next step, I'm going to have this to become, recall this, that if I have a to the power of 1 divided by 2, this can simply give me the square root of a. So that will give me the square root of 1 divided by the square root of 2. Great. Now, what would that expression give us? Remember, the square root of 1 can simply be equal to 1. So that expression will now give us the result to be, our result to be 1 divided by the square root of 2. And this will be the solution to that simplification expression given to us up there. Great. So you see, very easy. So if you are asked to simplify such an expression completely, all you need to do is Simply follow some rules of indices and boom, your answer will just drop out. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching and bye bye for now.